ENCLAPSലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the Enclaps channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Welcome all to the wonders of living world. In the last class, we had discussed about the pathway of the impulses in the reflex action called the reflex arc. There are many changes happening in the body during emergency situations. Now let us discuss how our body is responding accordingly. Activities that take place beyond the conscious level are controlled by autonomous nervous system, which is a part of peripheral nervous system. The sympathetic and parasympathetic system together form the autonomous nervous system. What do you mean by sympathy? Please, am I right? Our body is saved from accident by the pleasing activity of this system. So it is termed as sympathetic system. Sympathetic system prepares our body to fight and flight in such situation. How about coming back to normal state? These are controlled by parasympathetic system. It acts opposite to sympathetic system. What are the actions of parasympathetic system? Sympathetic system. The pupil in the eye dilates. Production of saliva decreases. Trachea expands. Heartbeat increases. Gastric activities slow down. Glycogen is converted into glucose. Peristalsis in the intestine slows down. Production of hormone increases. Urinary bladder regains normal state. Parasympathetic system. The pupil in the eye contracts. Production of saliva increases. Trachea contracts. Heartbeat becomes normal. Gastric activities become normal. Glucose is converted to glycogen. Production of hormone decreases. Peristalsis in the intestine becomes normal. Urinary bladder contracts. So have you all understood about sympathetic and parasympathetic system? Now we have a small task to do. Let's fill up this table. Pupil. Action of sympathetic system dilates. Action of parasympathetic system contracts. Salivary gland. Production decreases. Production increases. Trachea. Expands. Contracts. Heart. Heartbeat increases. Heartbeat becomes normal. Stomach. Gastric activities slow down. Gastric activities become normal. Liver. Glycogen is converted into glucose. Glucose is converted into glycogen. Intestine. Peristalsis slow down. Peristalsis becomes normal. Urinary bladder regains normal state, contracts. Healthy nervous system is required for the normal body activities. Defects in the nervous system may cause serious health problems. The best example is epilepsy. Rabies is another example. Cobra venom also affects our nervous system. I hope you all know that. Now let's discuss a few more examples of the diseases that affect the nervous system. Disease, causes, symptoms. Alzheimer's. Accumulation of an insoluble protein in the neural tissues of the brain. Neurons get destroyed. Loss of memory, inability to recognize friends and relatives, inability to do routine works. Parkinson's disease. Destruction of specialized ganglions in the brain. Production of dopamine, a neurotransmitter in the brain, get reduced. Loss of body balance, irregular movement of the muscles, shivering of the body, profuse salivation. Epilepsy. Continuous and irregular flow of electric charges in the brain. Epilepsy due to the continuous muscular contraction, frothy discharge from the mouth, clenching of the teeth, following which the patients fall unconscious. Aged people are more prone to nervous system disorders. The person suffering from nervous system disorders needs our mercy and help. Helping helpless people is humankind, right? Disease can affect anyone at any stage. To follow a healthy lifestyle is all what we can do. Smoking and drinking alcohol is injurious to health. It will seriously affect our vital organs. Driving by a drunken person is a punishable offense. That not only affects the person driving, but in turn affects those innocent people who are walking on the road. Why do accidents occur when drunken person drives? Alcohol accelerates the action of gamma aminobutyric acid, a neurotransmitter in the brain. This retards the brain action, which in turn weakens the reflex action and prevents making a proper decision at a proper time. Life becomes meaningful when we apply what we have learned. We will learn more about our body in our next class. Until then, goodbye.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.